Hi friends, in today's video we will be discussing how to configure folder redirection. But first, let's get to understand what is folder redirection. Folder redirection is a feature that helps manage users' data effectively. And by configuring folder redirection, users can have access to their data regardless of which machine they are logged on. So let's try to configure folder redirection. I have my server here, and what we will do is we are going to create a folder on this. Let me have this one move here. Okay. We are going to create a folder on this desktop, and we'll call it redirect data. And then what we'll do is we will right click and select properties, select share, we select advanced sharing, we check share this folder, and then we select permission, we give full control, and we apply, click OK, we apply, we click OK, then we come, we select security tab, and then we edit, and then we add. What we do is to everyone checkbox, and then we say OK, and then we give full control again because we apply, and then we OK, and we close this dialog box. Just refresh your desktop, but please don't forget to update your policy or your configuration. So we just GP, we type GP update space /false, and then we try to access our client machine, and then the client machine we will log on as one of the user. But first let's try to verify. Okay, first let's go and configure our policy. Let's go and configure our policy first. To configure our policy, you just click on tools, we come to group policy management, and then as you can see we have HROU here. We just right click on HROU, we select the first option, and then we name our policy as redirect files, and if we expand it, we'll see it there. We just right click on it and we select edit. Let's try to make this big. Then we honor user configuration, we expand policy, we try to expand Windows setting, we expand folder redirection, and then we right click on desktop. If we right click on desktop, we can opposite the settings, we try to drop down, and then we select basically redirect everyone's folder to the same location. But one thing we didn't do, we were to let me see my desktop. Okay, redirect data. Let's try and copy the path. So let's try and copy this path, and then because we will need to paste it, so let's cancel this. Okay, then we paste the path here, and what we do, come to setting, we check the third option that says also apply redirection policy to Windows 2000, Windows 2007 server, Windows XP, blah blah blah, and then we click apply. Okay, we do the same to my document. Then we just drop down, we select the first option, we paste our mail, and then we save it here like this. We select this. Okay, so now we go and then let's see the user in computer. We just see, okay, we have MDs and Marco. They are the user in HROU. So first let's try to update again, and then we see. So we are going on our client machine. This is a client machine, so we are going to log on this machine as MD, and then we enter MD's password. Sorry. Okay, now we are logging as MD. Okay, now we have logged as MD, so let's try and apply the same update on MD's machine. GP update /force. Okay, this is how we can configure folders redirection. So we just tap Y to restart our machine because we just updated our policy. So now we will log on back as MD. Why am I missing this? Okay, so now we will try to create a folder on MD's machine, and then in that folder we will create a text document there, and we'll just say something, and then in that same folder we'll create another folder there. So what it actually means that we have created this folder here. So if we go to the administrator's machine, we should be able to access the folder that MD's create on his machine. So let's try to create a folder on MD's machine. We call this Mac Davy. Open Mac Davy, and then let's say we try to create a test document. Create test document, we right click it, so we open test document and then just tap on it. Hi boss, I am at your office. So we just save it as Control S, or you can save it straight. Sammy. Okay, then I close this. I just try to refresh this. So if I go to my server and I open this folder, I should be able to see. So this is it. This empty. This you will see the username will appear on the folder. So you can see we are seeing MD. And if you click MD, because we were able to redirect MD desktop and his document, so they will appear there. If you open this his desktop, you see the folder he created on his desktop. He named it Mac Data, and then if you open Mac Data, you see the one folder and the text document. If you open this text document, we were able to tap this in MD's test document, so it's reflecting here. So let's try and tap something from the administrator side and see. Hey MD, what's up? So let's see if we can see something, and let's go to MD's machine and see whether actually it will reflect there. Or as we can see, we have okay, this is reflecting here. So now we have configured offline file and we have tested it is working. So thank for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go and recap on what we just did. We were discussing folder redirection, and this is the meaning. Folder redirection is a feature in Windows Server that helps to manage data effectively. And by configuring folder redirection, user can have access to their data regardless of which machine they log on. And these are the steps that you can use to configure folder redirection. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.